Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's video is another open house of a courtyard villa located here in the Village of Tamarind Grove. This is located at 2381 Merewood Place. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining. This is an open house of a courtyard villa here in the Village of Tamarind Grove. You can see this courtyard villa has stone and rock in front and has very low maintenance. A lot of people, especially snowbirds, like to buy homes like this because they don't have to pay anybody to mow their lawn. As always, please contact the listing agent if you're interested in this home. I will show you her name in a little while. This home does have a 1.5 car garage. You should be able to get a car and a golf cart in there, and I will show you the inside of that garage a little later. It does have a concrete driveway. This home is wood framed. As you walk up, you will see the patio. Has designer stone, looks like ceramic tile actually. And here is the listing agent. Please contact Sharon Smith if you have any questions about this home with Remax Realty. Thanks for joining, everybody. Let's take a walk inside and see what this home has to offer.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharon Smith and I'm your host today at this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath Beauregard model home. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1.5 car garage. You will see has cut glass backsplash, double pantries in the kitchen. Each bedroom has its own ensuite. We have carpeting in the living area, vinyl flooring in the rest of the home. It has some updated wall features you'll see. The furnishings are all updated, comes fully furnished. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. We're looking for offers. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharon. I appreciate that. I'll take a walk through the home and describe what I see. I'm first starting here in the foyer area. This home does have really nice laminate floors here in the foyer and the kitchen area. And the first thing you see off to the right is the kitchen. It does have beautiful cabinets. It does have a Formica countertop. It does have glass tile backsplash. It's beautiful. The ceiling texture is knocked down. Very nice and contemporary looking. This home is really well maintained. From what I see, there's not many upgrades you need to do to this. And off the kitchen, you will see the entrance to the garage. Let's take a look at what the garage looks like. This is a 1.5 car garage. Off in the corner, you will see a water heater. You also will see the mechanicals. That is your carrier heating and ventilating system. You do see the laundry is in the garage. The floor is cement. The garage does have a sink that you can use to wash up in if you decide to work out in the yard. Although there's not much maintenance in the yard. Let's take a walk back into the kitchen. It does have a double bowl stainless sink. And from what the realtor is saying, the furnishings are included, correct?
Correct.
All right, and here we're back in the foyer area, and off to the left, it looks like your master bedroom.
It is the guest room with its own ensuite.
The guest bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom. Look at that. How nice is that? Has very high cathedral type ceilings or vaulted ceilings, very high ceilings. It does have carpeting, fresh paint. At least it looks fresh.
It is.
I will video the specification sheet for everybody so they know what the specs of this home are. So this is the second bedroom, and it has its own ensuite bathroom. Very nice for guests and the privacy of the guests. That looks like a solar tube, is that true?
Yes, that is true.
Solar tubes are very common. That round thing is a solar tube that actually lets natural sunlight into the home.
There's one in the kitchen as well.
This bathroom does have laminate floors. It does have a tub with a shower surround. It looks like that is either fiberglass or plastic. Very nice. Everything is very well maintained. Very neat. It does have 6-panel white doors. That's kind of nice. Kind of an upgrade. Very nice, spacious second bedroom. Let's go into the living and dining area. We'll take a look at what that looks like. First thing I notice is a nice large living and dining space. It does have carpeting. It does have a small bar with 2 seats that goes off into the kitchen. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. I know a lot of my subscribers do not like the acoustical texture. They call it popcorn ceilings, but this home does not have that. You can see that the home does have, looks like wainscoting, but it is just molding that they put on the wall. It does have a patio, lanai out the back. That would be the master bedroom in the back there. Very nice. I like to stand in the corners and do a panoramic view. Kind of give people a nice view. Very high ceiling. Very well maintained home. Let's take a walk out to the lanai area. First thing I noticed in the lanai area that it does have, looks like ceramic tile floor. Beautiful textured floor right there. It does have stone continuing in the back. Very low maintenance. So very popular type of motif for the snowbirds or people who want to stay here part-time. This home is very comfortable if you want to stay here full-time. Let's take a walk out the back. Let's take a look at the side yard. Nice, large patio area here on the side of the home. Very typical Courtyard Villa. Very nice. Very secluded backyard. Again, Courtyard Villas are rarely popular with people who have pets. You can allow your pet to run around back here if you want. Lots of patio space in this home. Very nice. Mature landscaping. Very nice size lanai. It's screened in lanai. Let's go back in and tour the rest of the home. So this is the lanai. Let's go in and take a look at the master bedroom. Take a look at the master bedroom. Take a panoramic view of the living and dining area. This is the master bedroom. Master bedroom does have carpeted floors. It does have a sliding glass door that leads out to the patio. Really nice high ceilings. Well-maintained home. That is a king-size bed, the way it appears to me. And it has plenty of space on either side of the bed. Very nice. It has its own ensuite bathroom. Very neutral colors throughout this home. This is the bathroom that's off the master bedroom. It does have a walk-in closet right off to the left. Very deep closet. That is an access to your attic. It does have carpeted floors in the bathroom closet. The bathroom does have the nice laminate flooring. The cabinets, it does have a double bowl sink. Very neutral colors in this house. The shower has glass doors. It is ceramic tile. The shower is ceramic tiled. Very awesome. Very nice. Very nice shower area. Nice and large. It does have a seat in the shower. Okay, let's continue and exit the home. As we continue to exit the home, I'll give you another panoramic view of the living area. I will walk out to the street and give you a panoramic view of the street because I know a lot of my subscribers want to see that.
I want to thank you for stopping in today and giving us a visit here at 2381 Muirwood Place in the Village of Tamarind Grove off of St. Charles. Thank you so much. I was glad to have you.
Thank you so much. I will walk out to the street and I'll do my exit video and I'll come back in and say thank you.
You got it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. As we exit the home, we'll walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view. That is the neighbor's yard there. And this is the street. Very quiet neighborhood. Most neighborhoods in the villages are very quiet. This is located close to a dead-end street. So if you pan to the left, you can see that's the dead-end street right there. If you pan over to the right, that continues to the exit. And if you pan, this is the home right here. Try to take a look at the roof. Again, thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is the specification sheet for 2381 Muirwood Place in the Villages. The list price is $339,000. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bath home. It was built in 2011. And as always, if you have questions, please contact the listing agent, Sharon Smith. Thank you for watching my video and liking my videos. This was an open house tour of a Courtyard Villa here in the Village of Tamarind Grove in the Villages, Florida. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day, everybody.